Are you looking for the best mole grips in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mole grips that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Workpro 3-piece locking pliers set. With a decent collection of DIY-level tools and accessories, Workpro are a solid budget brand that makes some interesting kit. Their 3-piece mole grip set contains the different size and shape locking pliers you might need for jobs around the home or garden. For the money, you're getting a seriously comfortable set of grips that lock on hard to whatever you need them to. Not satisfied with offering a single pair of ever-useful mole grips, Workpro have gone all the way and come up with a 3-pack that costs less than a single pro-level set of pliers. This isn't to say that they're of bargain basement quality, however. Made from chrome vanadium steel, they're reliably weatherproof and pretty hard wearing as well. You get a large 10 and medium-sized 7 curved jaw set, and a straight jaw type set of pliers that measures just over 6 long. The best thing about them is their soft grip handles. Locking on these types of pliers can be hard on the hands, so I'm glad they've thought about that. Up next in the 4th place is the Stanley Fmht Zer Min 74886 Fatmax 250mm locking mole grip curved jaw pliers. Stanley's Fatmax curved jaw pliers are innovative in their design and offer an excellent set of vice grips that have advanced geometry to make the grip even and stop slippage. The black coating makes these locking pliers stand out from traditional mole grips and will stop them from ever rusting. There are 2 features that made these the best locking pliers we've seen from Stanley so far. The first is the eye bolt adjuster. This was easy to grip on its own, but you could also use a screwdriver for extra torque or turning speed. The second feature that makes this set of jaw grips stand out against the rest is the patented True Lock button on the side. With this engaged, the jaw grips will not spring open in your toolbox or come loose when gripped onto the workpiece. The 3rd product on our list is the Knex 414-250mm Grip Pliers. Knex are one of the world's most trusted tool manufacturers and make the best locking pliers that we have ever tested. The parts have all been properly machined and fit together perfectly, with no lateral wobble. We really like the attention to detail on the knurled bolt handle and the spring action lever. Knex grip pliers were easy to operate one-handed and allowed for great accuracy in setting the jaw diameter of these vice grips. The red detailing on the release lever is a nice touch as well. Our favorite feature of the best mole grips on this list is the wire cutting section. Sharp enough to cut heavy gauge wire using the lever action. We can see this being useful in plenty of situations in the future. Second on our list is the Milwaukee M4822 3420 250mm locking pliers. This Milwaukee Torque Lock line of tools are well suited for the job. With chrome vanadium plating and aggressive max bite teeth inside the jaws themselves. The handy wire cutters made an appearance here as well, making these mini mole grips a more versatile tool. We like the red adjuster eye bolt feature the most. It gives the adjuster the leverage it needs when you really need to grip something tight. And as the lightest set of vice grips on this list, we think they're the best small mole grips in this price range. Finally, the top product on our list is the Irwin ViseGrip 4 inches long nose plier. If you're looking for the best long nose mole grips, then look no further than these excellent Irwin ViseGrip pliers. When you need to get into tight spaces, the long nose is hardened and won't bend due to the heat-treated alloy steel used in construction. With Irwin's customary well-knurled adjuster, it's easy to clamp down with accurate force, and the thin body on these long nose mole grips means they can get into places that the other locking pliers on this list just can't reach. They're light, but still apply as much force as locking pliers much larger. They're the best small mole grips for fine work, and we think these long nose mole grips will stand up against the hardest bolts in the tightest spaces.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.